Hello all. So today we will learn more about Python and we will know why Python is one of the most used programming language in current days in the analysis and data science sector. So let's learn more about Python. Work on Python, we need a console like Jupyter Notebook, Spider, and PyCharm. So to have that in your node environment, we have to download this Anaconda Navigator. It will provide us the access to the console directly. So we have to write on Google Anaconda Navigator download. Then we'll get this page. So to start using Python, you have to download a console to work on the data. So to work on that, to download that console or have that console in your computer, we have to download this Anaconda Navigator. So this is a Anaconda Navigator helps us installing the analysis tools into our computer. So this is a very useful way to download and easy. It's very easy. Once you click on the Anaconda Navigator from Google, you will get this page. You have to click on download now, and it will be downloaded without any issue. So once it is downloaded and you will open it, then you will get an interface like this where all the analysis tools are mentioned, and you can see a launch option. These launch options, okay, this will launch the tool directly, and there's an install option also. Notebook also you get to install, but I have already installed, that's why I'm getting a launch button. So I prefer Jupyter Notebook, it's very convenient. So, and the Spider is also good, and PyCharm Professional is for very complex analysis, so we will see it later. So current we will use Jupyter Notebook. So I already downloaded, so I'll move to Jupyter Notebook directly. So you can download and install and then launch. I'll tell you how to launch it. There's a shortcut also. So let's close this. So let's go to the search button and write Anaconda prompt. And once you click this, you'll get a Anaconda environment, a console where you can write Jupyter Notebook and it will open the Jupyter Notebook itself. So it's open. So let's write notebook and click enter. Now it will execute the command and it will show you the Python version we have. See where it is located, the storage space, and everything. So it will show and then it will open the Jupyter Notebook. So let's wait for a few seconds. It's showing some information about the Jupyter Notebook, the version. It's notebook 7. The directory is not Jupyter Notebook is open. Do the analysis using Python libraries. So you can see upload button over there. Just click on this upload and it will redirect you to your folders. So you have to select the folder and the file where the file folder is located. So I have a Excel file, so I'll use that. It's bank marketing CSV. You can copy the name, it will be useful in further process. Let's up. Just click on upload. It's uploaded. So let's click on this new Python 3. It will open the page where we'll do the analysis and we'll use the libraries like pandas, numpys, scikit-learns, and different. There are so many libraries in Python which are very easy to use and very convenient. So and you can do visualization also. You can check the accuracy scores. You can train the data and transform it to the score or any numerical value. You can delete the null values. So there's so many things in Python which is very easy to. It's very textual. It's not very. There are not many coding required. Everything is in text, so it's very easy to use programming language Python. That's why it's getting so much popularity in the data field these days. And from since I think last 5 years, Python has taken over the coding world. Okay. So first thing we have to do, we have to import the libraries into this notebook. So for that, we'll write first import pandas as pd. Right? Import numpy as np. Numpy is basically it's a library used for numerical analysis, and pandas is for the data library where we can clean and we can read the data and to uh, transform the data. Pandas is used. I'll give you basic information about this later. I'm just showing how to import the libraries right now. So we have imported pandas and numpy, which is a major library used in all the analysis for Python. So we'll click and we'll write on this and we'll enter control plus enter. So you see this star button. This means it's executing. Once this star button is removed, this means it has been executed. So now it has been executed. So to make more tabs over here, we can click on B. Just click B. It will make a new line, a new box for you. Also, you can click on this plus button. It will also create a new tab. So let's load the data now. So to load the data, we have to create a name for that data. So I'll create a name, df is equal to pt.read csv. It's a CSV file, so I'll write CSV and the name of the data which I have copied. That's why I copied the data, because we have to write a name of the file which has been uploaded. So, and it has to be in under exclamation marks. Now df dot head to show the top to bottom. And if you want to see only 20 columns for the time being, you can write 20. See, the data is loaded and it's much more easier to read than Excel. You have a better view over here. Now it's showing only 20 columns because I have selected 20. If I would have selected 10, then it would have showed 10 columns only. So it's 10 minutes. 10 in Pandas, the column start from 0. So that's why it's 9 only, 0, 1, 2. And if you want to see all the columns, just remove the numbers, just keep it blank and press Ctrl plus Enter. Now it automatically shows you the top 5, because it is automatically selected from Python, that it will show the top 5. So whatever number you want in the columns, you can select here. Alright.